Welcome back to TV5 News at 9. It is time now for Legally Speaking. Today we are talking about elder law and estate planning with attorney Carol Thomas. Thank you so much for joining us, Attorney Thomas. We appreciate you being here.
Thank you. It's wonderful to be here, Colette. Thank you.
You are welcome. Carol, you have another seminar coming up in Saginaw, and they fill up quickly. They're so popular. So what will attendees learn at your seminar?
Well, thank you very much. I'm thrilled. For 20 years, my seminars have been filling up, but unfortunately now with social distancing, they fill up much more quickly because we have to limit our numbers. But I love when people come to my seminars and then as they're leaving, they say, I had no idea what I needed to learn about wills, trusts, protecting my assets. People always think that this won't happen to their family, but already this week I've had 6 different families that I've had to talk to that very unexpectedly someone needed long-term care. And if you're not prepared, you could potentially lose everything.
And we do the same thing here, Carol, when you're here. We learn so much from you. Tell us about what impact has COVID had on your office and practice there and your seminars as well.
Well, certainly, the initial impact was we had to be shut down for a couple of months. But what's happened now with the practice is because of COVID, I find people are coming in with a little bit more of a serious attitude, like, we better get this done. We don't know when something will happen. And it's had an impact on the seminars just because they do fill up very quickly because people are aware that they need to learn the information. And I find that a lot of my clients that have come to my seminars recommended their friends and neighbors, please go to one of Carol's seminars. I don't force people to sign up for anything. I just want to give them the information. And I tell a lot of stories, which people like, but I think it gets the information out that people do need to know.
And I think the pandemic has really opened people's eyes to how important this is, your topic. Tell us, what do you think the most important thing for the public to know about estate planning is right now?
I think the most important thing is do not wait. None of us have that crystal ball. We don't know whether it's going to be that we're going to be passing away sooner than we thought that we might. But the other issue, and what I really deal with as an elder law attorney, is the elder law aspect of this. Incapacity issues before you die. And it seems that most people don't think about that. And you may be fine one day, suddenly have a stroke as an example. You're not able to take care of your affairs. You need to have named someone that would handle things for you, because if you don't, it's so much harder for the family. They have to hire a lawyer, go to court, get a guardianship. If people just get their documents done ahead of time, it makes things so much easier.
And Attorney Thomas, I think this is the most important question here. Why is it so important to get your legal advice from someone who actually specializes in elder law versus just a general practice attorney?
It does make a huge difference, Colette. There are not a lot of elder law attorneys in the state of Michigan, and actually as far as certified elder law attorneys, there are only 18 in the state, and I'm very proud to say that my son, who is a lawyer in my office with me, he is a certified elder law attorney, and so that tells the public that we take this very seriously. This is all that we do, and elder law, again, is protecting assets if you need nursing home care, but also setting up the estate planning, hopefully 30 years before you may need it, but it's being protected. And that's why I love doing these seminars, because people really do tell me they learn a lot, they enjoy them. And one problem we have is we have people that want to keep coming back and back and back, and now we're saying if you've already been to a seminar, please save a spot for someone else. So that's a difference now with COVID.
Sure. So you would like to let people know, don't hesitate, get your information ASAP, and also make sure that they sign up for your seminar. Anything else we haven't covered, Attorney Thomas, you'd like people to know?
I don't think so, other than I can't emphasize enough how heartbreaking it is for me when families come to me and it's too late. It's one of those things, please, be on the offensive. Make the decision to come to a seminar, get things done.
I love it. Thank you, Attorney Thomas. We are so appreciative of you stopping by and giving us this valuable information. We need this at this time. We appreciate you.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. If you'd like any more information at home, head on over to the Hot Links section at WNEM.com.